You're showing us you've got no vision, no direction. The others that are here, there's a reason they are here. But you have no idea why you're here. That's why you're doing that. There's a book called Purpose-Driven Life. That book, Purpose-Driven Life, it says everything that exists in the world, it has a purpose. You have a purpose. In your house, in your class, in the community. Here's the question. How many of you have decided what you're going to do in life? You know you're going to be writing a trip. When that matric exam comes out, you're going to be at UWC, you're going to be at UCT, Pentec, or college. Oh, by the way, don't ever mind the college. Colleges are powerful. People that come to college, they need some serious doshma, mullah. Hey? They do practical stuff with their hands. They get paid immediately. Hey? By years in mind. So those of you that might not be good in mathematics or English or Africans, you can go to college, get that diploma, make the money. Wait for those who go to UWC and UCT to do whatever they want to do. So college is open for everyone. Because sometimes people look at you and go, you go to college, we go to UWC, go to UCT. There's no difference, it's all college. So I want you to respect each other. When someone else says I'm going to go to college, just say, well done, you've made a choice. The most important thing is that one has made a decision. When you make a decision, you have to manage a decision. That's the difference between decision making and management. Everyone and anyone can make a decision. But once you make a decision, you have to manage it. That's the difference with everybody else. Most people make decisions, they don't manage the decision. The decision manages them. You have commercial work, you have friends that are always knocking at your door. Say down and see it now, we are like that. Down, more down. So in your life, you should be able to tell me that time and the plans too. What we are about. They should respect you for that. They will say we are born, we are Jesus, whatever, fine. But I'm the plans for my life. It doesn't depend on what you do, how you do, where you're going. Now, you are the class of 2023. The 12, brother and guys. When you finish this class this year, ladies and gentlemen, where you're going, no one is going to wake you up. No one is going to ask you for assignment. No one is going to ask you why didn't you come to lecture. No one is going to say why didn't you write an exam. There's going to be a list of names on the board. When your name is not there, you're done. What am I saying? Become responsible and accountable for your own life. Not the teacher, not your mother, not your uncle, not your father. You need to be accountable. Because when you lose it, you're going to become a tot in the streets. It's a you don't want to do that. The end of that is death. A bullet in the back, a bullet in the head, or a knife in your back. You guys are more pretty, more powerful, more intelligent than to be killed. How many years have you spent in the high school, by the way? How many years? 12 years. 5, 13 plus primary, right? Imagine you spend the entire 13 years just to become it. Huh? No. Make the money. And when you do this, there must be dollars coming out. Yeah? Not people crying because you passed by. Support the song? There is a beautiful story. A guy. This guy, whenever he passed by, everybody else was happy. Everybody else's problems were resolved. This guy is called Jesus. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you stay, wherever you are, in your community, the grannies the little girls should be looking up to you to say, hey, every time when I meet with Alice, I like it good. She talks positive and she helps me. When I've got hey, when I've got that thing there, the teacher is telling me what do you call it? Homework assignment, yes. So when they've got an assignment, they can come to you and you help them. You uplift the future, just who you are. You are a mentor and a coach. You don't have to go to any school for that. I had to go to school. I went to school. I'm still studying to be a better coach, a better life coach, a better speaker. When I speak, the information that comes out of my mouth is the information I'm putting in my head, the information I'm reading, the information I'm looking at. It's not standard, it's not as simple as that. You've got to put information for it to come out. Otherwise, the natural thing that's going to come out of your mouth is negative, hurting, people are going to be crying because you passed by. That's not a nice thing, isn't it? I understand in every school there's a bully. I understand in every school there's a thief. I understand in every school there is that child that's always. Is that for me? This is one of the best jokes in the world. So when you have a purpose in life, you have a direction. This is my whole point of saying this morning, this afternoon. It is simply that when you even go home, you're not the person that sits on the chair and wondering, Chomi Ziwati. Really? Do you know that when I was your age, we planned our own gatherings? The people that were like-minded. We did not bring people that are messing around. We had hikes. We walked on the beach. We had parties around, house parties. We asked the parents. We asked the teacher, can you host us at your garage? 10 or 20 11 come together. Guess what we talked about? Life, but also we had party time. We enjoyed. We did not let anyone else tell us what to do, where to go, how to do it, because we knew where we're going. Now, I'm not saying you don't know where you're going. Are we together? For us, when we come to speak to you, we are not assuming that you don't know where you're going. No. We're simply adding on to what you're thinking, so that it can be clear. The direction of your life must be clear. Have you seen the process for this program? Do you see it? You share the process. Okay, the theme of our topic today is called while we're doing that, I will look at it. My name is Will. My Simon is Zonda. I am a life coach, a mentor. I'm a husband to a wife, a woman. And I've got kids, 2 girls and a boy. And I've got 3 grandchildren. I am 53 years of age today. This is what I drink. I don't put poison in my body.